Hello everybody, welcome to Busybody Tips and Tricks. I am Chick and that's my friend Tack. We are here to host this channel. Hey Tack, what's today's video about?
Today's video is going to be the beginning of class 11th and 12th physics.
So what are we planning to do in this series?
We are actually going to share chapter-wise formulas and short notes of 11th and 12th class.
So let us begin. Which chapter are we going to cover in this video?
These set of formulas are going to be very helpful for last-minute preparations for competitive exams as well as for board exams.
You are right, Tick. So let's begin.
Under this chapter, units and dimensions, the first formula is for order. Whenever we write 3 into 10 to the power 8, the order is the power of 10, which is 8. When the number before 10 is greater than 5, then we add 1 with the power of 10. Like 9 into 10 to the power 9, the order becomes 10, 9 plus 1. The next formula says to find the dimension for any unknown quantity n2, we take it equal to n1 of m1 by m2 to the power a, l1 by l2 to the power b, and t1 by t2 to the power c.
So the next formula is for calculating the least count of vernier caliper. So least count is equal to 1 MSD, that is 1 main scale division minus 1 linear scale division. And the reading of vernier caliper is equal to MSR plus least count into VSD. The next formula says the least count of screw gauge, that is pitch divided by the number of head. Generally, it is 0.001 millimeter. Whenever there is a positive error in case of screw gauge, which means exceeding 0, it should be subtracted. And whenever there is a negative error, again preceding 0, it should be added with the main scale reading.
The next formula is about accuracy and precision. For example, when the true value is 4.283, the accurate value becomes 4.24, and the precise value, which is having more number of decimal places, that is 4.093. Next is a mean, which is equal to a1 plus a2 plus a3 till an divided by n. Delta a1, which is change in the value of a1, will be a1 minus a mean. And delta a mean will be the changes of a1 plus a2 plus a3 till delta an divided by n. Relative error, that is delta a mean divided by a mean.
The next formula is to calculate the sum of the errors in two values. Like z is equal to a plus b, then delta z, that is error in z, will be delta a plus delta b. And fractional error in z, that is delta z by z, can be written as delta a by a plus b plus delta b by a plus b. Next is difference. Z is equal to a minus b. So delta z is delta a plus delta b. So what is the fractional error? It is delta z by z, which is equal to delta a by a minus b plus delta b by a minus b.
Next is product or division of two quantities. Z is equal to a into b or z is equal to a by b. Fractional error in z will be written same in both the cases, that is delta z by z is equal to delta a by a plus delta b by b.
Now let us talk about the dimension of various quantities like angular velocity, frequency, velocity gradient. All of them have the dimension t to the power minus 1.
Surface tension and spring constant have dimension m into t to the power minus 2.
Force, thrust, energy gradient, weight, all of them have dimension m, l, t to the power minus 2.
Latent heat and gravitational potential have dimension L square t to the power minus 2.
Torque, work and energy have dimension mL square t to the power minus 2.
Planck's constant and angular momentum have the dimension mL square t to the power minus 1.
Boltzmann constant, entropy and thermal capacity have the dimension mL square t to the power minus 2 k to the power minus 1.
Time constant can be written as root of LC, L by R or R into C.
Velocity also has various formulas like root of E by rho, root of T by mu and 1 by root of mu naught epsilon naught.
Stress into strain, epsilon naught E square or B square by mu naught all have the same dimension, that is m L to the power minus 1 T to the power minus 2.
Permittivity has dimension m to the power minus 1, L to the power minus 3, T to the power 4 and A to the power 2.
Permeability has dimensions m L T to the power minus 2, A to the power minus 2. And Boltzmann constant has dimension m L square T to the power minus 2, K to the power minus 1.
Stephen's constant has dimension m L to the power 0, T to the power minus 3 and K to the power minus 4.
So tick, we are towards the end of this video. We had seen all the formulas of chapter, units and dimensions.
Yes, Jack, this is the beginning of the new series. As we move ahead, we will cover the formulas of all the chapters of 11th and 12th.
Friends, for more such tips and tricks, please do subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon for all our latest videos, and also do not forget to like this video.
And please do let us know in the comment section whether you like our new series.
We thank you all for all your support.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.